In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the Custom Standards and Learning Outcomes editor, which enables you to create custom standards and learning objectives. For simplicity, I will be using the term standard to refer to both learning objectives and custom standards in this video. The Custom Standards and Learning Outcomes editor allows for standards to be created, which then are automatically linked into the DataLink Connect software. From here on, we will refer to the Custom Standards and Learning Outcomes editor as the LOE. To download your free LOE plugin for the DataLink Connect software, visit our website and click on the DataLink tab here. Then click on DataLink Connect on the left side. Now you'll need to scroll down, and at the bottom right you will see where to download the LOE. Once you have downloaded and installed the LOE, you may begin creating the standards by opening the LOE. The first thing you need to do is create and title your standard set. To create a standard set, click the Add Standard Set button on the toolbar here. A new window will open where you will be prompted to name your standard set. The name that you enter here will be used to identify this set of standards in DataLink Connect. Once you have named your standard set, you can then enter your standards. The first standard you add is going to be a top-level standard. What this means is that the standard will have the ability to have lower-level standards, or children, added below it. Select the standards you wish to add by clicking this area here. You can then click on the button that says Add Top-Level Standard. A new window will open which will allow you to add a prefix to your standard, as well as the content the standard will be testing. Typically, most prefixes are numbers. However, you may add this information in whatever format your institution has chosen. Text can be typed in or copy and pasted from other documents. Once you have added all the information in this window, you have three options on how to move to the next step. The first button you can select is Save and Add Child. When this option is selected, the program will save the standard you just created and add it to the list that is behind this window. The current window will stay open but will be cleared so that new information can be typed in. You will notice in this area it has assigned a numerical title to this standard, which indicates it will be listed under the top-level standard you just created. Once you have added the information that goes with the standard, click Save, and you will see how it is added under the parent standard in this window. When creating a top-level standard, the second button you can select when adding a standard is Save and Add Sibling. What this will do is save the standard you just entered, then go to the next title number sequence shown here to allow you to add another standard that is on the same top level. If once you enter the standard you simply select the Save button, that standard will be saved and you will go back to this screen. From here you can also select to add a sibling or child by clicking on one of these buttons. Once entered, standards can be edited by highlighting the standard you want to alter, then clicking the Edit button. Doing this will cause the window to open where you can make any necessary adjustments and save the alterations by clicking Save. If you have entered a standard that you no longer need, you can also select it and click the Delete button to have it removed. The placement of the standards can be moved up or down simply by clicking on the standard, then on one of these buttons. Moving a standard's placement does not change the number associated with the standard, just the placement on the page. This will affect where the information will show in your reports in DataLink Connect. Once you have added all the standards for that set, you can either select to create a new standard set and continue the process again, or if you have finished adding standards, simply close out the LOE. You do not need to click Save. All content will be automatically saved into the editor and accessible in DataLink Connect. Once you close the LOE and then open DataLink Connect, you will be able to locate the standards you created by going to File and scrolling down to Download Standards. A window will open showing you all the available standards for the DataLink Connect program. Click on the Show Only Downloaded Sets box here, and it will show only the sets you have downloaded into your DataLink Connect program. To learn how to assign standards to your test questions, view the online tutorial titled Aligning Standards to Test Questions in the Learning Center. If you have additional questions on how to use the LOE, please contact a member of our technical support team at 800-827-9219.